Hello again. So I've got the encoder switches installed. These buttons are 3D printed. I'm waiting on the hat switch coming from China, but I've got all the other knobs installed. These are encoder switches, rotary switches, and they're going to require 8 connections. And the center pin is ground on both sides, ground to ground. And so it's going to be for the outside rotation, and then the inside rotation on the knob. Yeah, outside, inside. And then these two here is for the push button of the knob. So this switch actually has 3 ground connections. You got 1, 2, and one of these pins 3. They basically all could be wired straight to ground. And I can daisy chain this one to this ground, to this ground, to this ground. And this ground will run to the Arduino Mega. That's going to sit up here. Now these boards you can buy and solder the pins on. It's a development board, but it works good for attaching all the wires. So ground from this board, it's running on USB from the computer, so that's 5 volt. All these encoder switches will be on that circuit of 5 volt. All the LEDs will be on a circuit of 12 volt. So I keep the circuits isolated. You don't want to run 12 volt into the input of this board, or it will lock it up. And this motherboard chip here will get really hot. It will disable the function of the board when you're trying to connect. Alrighty, thank you for watching.